I need to glow up. Like, look at this regrowth, guys. Let me show you the back of my hair. The hairdresser's gonna have so much fun tomorrow, but today I need to focus on the little tasks. So in about half an hour, I'm gonna leave to get my eyebrows done. I can't wait. I mean, I usually dye them myself, but I think today I wanted to like treat myself and go and get my eyebrows done. So really excited about that. Like, they need to be waxed, they need to be shaped. They're just a bit out of control. I wanna tan today because I am looking corpsey. I've already done my nails, but I do need to do them again because... So first things first, I'm gonna jump into the shower and I'm going to exfoliate my whole body, get it prepped for tanning. The lighting in here is so bad. But anyway, I got this new body and face exfoliator from Banging Body. I wanna try it out, so I'm gonna do that obviously in this video. I wanna smell it. Like, that's instantly what I wanna do right now. It smells like coconut. Are you kidding me? It's been a while since I've actually gone out and got my eyebrows done. Usually I do it at home and I just use men's beard dye. I honestly could not tell you the last time I got my eyebrows done. It's been at least 4 years or 5 years. It's been a very long time. Oh my god, I actually have eyebrows.
I know, crazy, right?
Thank you so much. They look really dark at the moment, but don't freak out. Once I wash my face later on, they will appear a lot less dark and a lot less bold. It's so weird to me that I have eyebrows. Like, I can't... This is so weird. I have uneven eyebrows, by the way, so grab a coffee because I feel like a coffee is really good for the soul. I can't get over my eyebrows. I'm getting used to them now. Like, when I first saw them, I was a little bit shocked. I was like, oh, they're very bold. I'm starting to get used to them now. Like, they're looking good. Hey there, can I please grab a small caramel latte with almond milk? Thank you. I really want to drink that, but it's really hot. I'm gonna go to the chemist, get some teeth whitening strips because obviously I have a coffee addiction and my teeth are not the whitest they can be. So. I had to get some new toothbrushes and these looked super cute, so I was like, obviously I'm gonna get these. I couldn't choose between the teeth whitening pen and the teeth whitening strips, so I got both. And then I got the Maybelline Superstay, what is this? Skin tint, and I had one of my besties recommend this to me. So I thought, you know what? I'm gonna try it and maybe it'll help me glow up tomorrow when I do my makeup because it'll be like a light tint for my skin instead of like a heavy foundation. Kind of, I don't know, I've heard really good things about it. That was $60. Anyway, I'm gonna enjoy my coffee, make my way home, and then I'm gonna tan my skin. I really like tanning. I feel like it's such a nice, subtle way to bring confidence to myself. I just feel really confident when I tan. Like, I feel glowy. I feel like I don't need to wear makeup. I don't need my eyebrows or my hair done. Like, I could just tan today and call it a glow up video. Obviously, I'm not saying in order to glow up, you need to tan. Absolutely not. I just find that when I tan, I feel amazing. I feel so confident. I cannot get over that difference. Like, what the heck? Yeah, once it washes off, it is stunning. So I'm gonna do the rest of my body now, and then I'll get my boyfriend to do my back because I can't reach back there. That's asking for a neck cramp. Tyler to do my back, obviously, because I cannot reach my back. You're like a professional tanner at this point.
Yeah, pretty much. Circular motions.
So to do my face, I usually just grab the mitt and like rub it all over my face, but I do have some dry acne spots on my chin at the moment that are gonna pick up like my chest here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this face tan cream that actually looks really good. It's nice and natural. I find it doesn't tan the face as harsh as what the mitt would do, but this is like nice and gradual, which I will stick with today. Oh no, look at my hand. We're gonna have to fix that. It just gives it like a really nice kind of glow. Okay, it is the next morning. As you can probably tell, the sun's in my eyes. I'm blind. Today, I am getting my hair done. I'm so excited. It's been like 7 months since I last got my hair done. As you can tell, I feel quite gross with my hair at the moment. I feel really gross. I'm just gonna do a little bit of makeup and I'm gonna try out the Superstay 24-hour tint. Oh my God, it's in a droppy. How do I do this? Okay, so far so good. Sorry, my birds next door are very loud. They just woke up. They're very excited for the day. So am I. So I'm getting my hair done. I actually really like how that's sitting on my skin. I can't even tell that I'm wearing foundation. That's That's so crazy. I love that. So I'm getting like my roots faded in a little bit more so they're less harsh. I've always just had like a full head or half a head of foils. So this is something completely new for me and I'm super excited. One last look at my hair before we go and get it revamped. Yeah, you can see the regrowth is coming through there and then underneath is just all brown. It is a well-needed pampering session today. Well, it's not pampering, it's like a whole revamp. It's like a whole renovation on my hair. I can't wait. I've got about 10 minutes before I leave, or 5 minutes. I really don't know. I should probably get my act together. But yeah, let's go and get my hair done. I'm so keen. 3, 2, 1. I got money pieces at the front to highlight my face. I got the behind bits toned and they have a little bit of highlight in them as well, so they're less dark, less like in your face. I just got my regrowth blended through, so it's a lot less harsh. Let me show you the back. Oh my god. Tyler, honest thoughts?
Fantastic.
It's time to fix my nails because so I've got two options here and I really don't know which road I want to go down. I don't know if I want to be like dark and mysterious. This is dark and mysterious to me. Don't at me. And then this is like cute pastel spring girly. I'm kind of like umming and ahhing. I really don't know. These ones have got to go because they are just, oh, look at that. That one just came off. But first, I need to go ahead and whiten my teeth, especially after my chai latte this morning. I've never really used teeth strips before. I've always used like the whitening pen. I need to put these on for 30 minutes. So while I'm whitening my teeth, I will do my nails. So I don't really have like anything to dry my teeth with, so I'm just gonna use my sleeve. Okay, stunning. Good thing I'll be doing my nails for the next 30 minutes because I feel like I can't talk right now. It just feels so weird. I hate this. I'm gonna go ahead, take off all my press-on nails, clip my nails, get my nails all prepped for the glowy nails. So I'm going to file them down and I'm also going to push my cuticles back with this little, it comes with everything in the box. This is why I love glowy so much. And then I'm gonna wipe my nails down with an alcoholic wipe, gets rid of all the excess oils. I will be back to you guys in half an hour when these are ready to take off. Half an hour, so I'm going to take the teeth whitening strips out. I feel like I still can't talk. This is going to be gross. I'm sorry. What the hell? Okay. Stop it. I really do like these. The only problem was like my mouth just started salivating and just could not stop. And the whole time I'm sitting there like with a mouthful of spit. And my nails, oh my god, they're so cute. Stop. I'm not sponsored in this video any way, shape or form by none of these brands. This is just what I'm using. But I do have a discount code for Glowy if you guys would like some press-on nails for yourself. But now I feel like this is the part of the video where I'm going to work on myself internally. I feel like a lot of glowing up comes from within because while glowing up is nice on the outside, you know, getting your nails done and your tan and your hair, it feels really good and you feel really confident. It starts to fizzle away, you know, when your roots start coming back in and the tan fades away and the nails start falling off, you know, you start to feel a bit wrong. You start to think to yourself, okay, why do I not feel so good anymore? You know, why do I feel like especially if you're not working on yourself internally, the come down from glowing up physically can really affect you. So glowing up internally is so important, even more important than glowing up physically. But you know, your girl needed some fresh hair, let's be real. For this video, I'm not going to do like a full-on glow up internal video, so I'm only going to touch base and do some small activities here and there because I'm constantly on my self-love journey. I'm always trying to better myself, so I feel like I don't have to get into too much detail because you guys already know that. So today I want to go and make my bed properly. I have a flat sheet that I've been using to like climate control, both my boyfriend and I, because like he is a hot sleeper and I'm a cold sleeper. And for like the last week, it hasn't been on the bed. It's just been sitting on my ottoman. And then I'm going to tidy my area. So the house has become a little bit cluttered, a little bit messy at the moment. So I'm just going to go through and tidy everything. Not necessarily a deep clean, but just enough to give me a fresh state of mind where I'm not worrying about all the clutter around me. I want to go on a hot girl walk, very important. Not only is walking good for your physical health, but it's also good for your mental health and glowing up internally. You just feel so good after a walk. I'm gonna look up some inspiring quotes because honestly, you can't tell me that doesn't work. Like you go onto Pinterest and you look up some inspiring quotes, you feel inspired. And then I need to drink my hot girl water because water is so important for you. It helps everything, your skin, your hair, your digestive system, your mood, your sleep. Water is just so good for you. And I feel like the best way to internally glow up is to rest guilt-free as well. With my job being like YouTube and content creating, I feel like I can't turn off properly. Like, I just am always thinking about work, what content I can create. I can't scroll on my phone without thinking like, oh, I should create that, I should do this. And recently I've found a way to completely zone out from the world and just relax and actually rest guilt-free. I've been playing Stardew Valley now for a couple of days. Guys, I'm honestly obsessed. I am just living out my farm girl fantasies. Basically, Stardew Valley is a game where, oh my god, I can't use my fingers, where you can create your own house, so gorgeous, so cute, decorate it, all that kind of stuff, and you run your own farm. Like, this is my shitty little farm because it's fall and all my crops died, so it doesn't look aesthetic. I've got little chickens. Look at my little chickens, guys. I just feel like it's such a fun way to just relax, tune out from the world for a little bit, because I feel like that's the only way that I can actually wind down and rest so that I can be productive and edit my YouTube video later on tonight. Please take this video with a grain of salt. Like, you don't have to get your hair done, get tan, get your fake nails on and your eyebrows. Like, you don't have to do any of that to love yourself and glow up. Like, you don't have to do any of that. You can glow up internally by going for a walk, changing your habits, waking up a little bit earlier and just spending the morning alone. And like, there's so many habits out there, and if you guys are stuck on what to change to become a better you, I have a video on that you should go and check out. But I've got a farm to tend to now. I've got to go. So thank you guys for sticking around, and I will see you on Sunday. Bye.